Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. This video lecture is for BA Economics Honors student first year and the subject is Principles of Macroeconomics and the topic is Theories of Foreign Exchange Rate. Let's begin our today's class with the first question and a second question for you to check your previous knowledge whether you have seen the last video or not. Okay, so the questions are: what is foreign exchange rate and what is foreign exchange market? You have to answer in your comment section for these two questions and let's see the answers now. What is foreign exchange market? This is the foreign exchange market, the market where different currencies are traded. And what is foreign exchange rate? Foreign exchange rate is the rate, the price of one currency in terms of another currency. Let's start now with the theories of foreign trade. There are basically four theories that we are going to study today. First is mint parity theory. Second is purchasing power parity. Sometimes it is called PPP theory. And the third one is fixed exchange rate. And the fourth is floating exchange rate. Let's discuss all these four theories one by one. So start with the first one, mint parity theory. So mint parity theory is associated with the working of the international gold standard. Sometimes it is also called determination under the gold standard, that how the exchange rate is related or determined by the gold standard. Under this system, the currency in use was made of gold or was convertible into gold at a fixed rate. So all the currencies will be converted into gold. That's why it is called mint parity theory. The value of the currency unit was defined in terms of certain weight of gold, so many grains of gold to the rupee, dollar, the pound, etc. That means all the value of the currency will be defined in terms of certain weight of gold. The central bank of the country was always ready to buy and sell at a specified price, and this is the rate at which the standard money of the country was convertible into gold was called mint parity of gold. That means the currency value will be determined in terms of gold. And the second theory is the purchasing power parity theory, that means PPP theory. Who has developed this theory? So Gustav Kessel has developed this theory in 1920. He has developed this theory to determine the exchange rate between the countries or inconvertible paper currencies. According to this theory, exchange rate between two inconvertible paper currency is determined by the equality of relative change in relative prices in the two countries. So according to Gustav Kessel, he said that the exchange rate equilibrium will be determined by the equality of the relative change in relative prices in the two countries. And the third theory is fixed exchange rate. So under fixed exchange rate, all exchange transactions take place at an exchange rate that is determined by the monetary authority. And what is this monetary authority? That would be central bank or maybe any government. So it may fix the exchange rate by legislation or intervention in the currency markets. It may sell or buy currencies according to the needs of the country or may take policy decisions to appreciate or depreciate the national currency. So this is the fixed by the legislation or the intervention in the currency market. So now the fourth one is left. What was the first one? It was the mint parity theory. That was the gold standard. Second one was, yes, you can recall and give the answer. PPP, purchasing power parity theory, and the third one is fixed exchange rate. And what is left? That is flexible exchange rate. So let's go to discuss that. Flexible, floating or fluctuating exchange rate are determined by market forces. The monetary authority does not intervene for the purpose of influencing the exchange rate. So under this regime of extreme, freely fluctuating exchange rates If there is an excess supply of a currency, the value of that currency in foreign exchange rate will fall, and it will lead to depreciate of the exchange rate. Consequently, equilibrium will be restored in the exchange rate. So it is determined by the market forces. So as we have discussed all the four theories of foreign exchange currency, so now it's time to call it a day. So thank you for watching this video and take care.